Hey, this is 4 video, and y'all gonna see exactly what I just did. Everything is together, as you can see, put back together. And before, when you would turn this on, the light would just stay flashing. And now, you have a steady light now. So, let's turn her on, and let's see what happens. So far, so good. Is that green where it needs to be? It's very quiet. Clean the shit out of it. Miguel will be very happy. And I only charge $50 to fix these. And it's good. Shuts off. Beautiful. No CD. Great. Everything is copostatic. Alright. That's how you fix a ps3 that's overheating, dude. You know, I can't give you all the secrets on how to do it, then I can't make money off of y'all. But yeah. Alright, man. Peace.